So today we are gonna learn how to create this reel in After Effects. So jumping straight into the process, the first thing we need to do is design our frame, and for that I'm gonna go online using Pinterest and YouTube for some design inspiration. After that I'm gonna jump straight into Photoshop and create the frame. After importing the PSD into After Effects, we will start by converting the text layers into editable text and then create a rectangle shape with rounded edges, as the PSD layers is a masked layer and we cannot use that for animation. After that, animate the text with Animation Composer. For the text box, we will animate it by using the scale keyframes of y-axis only and by adjusting the graph for a smoother motion. Next step is to hide the unwanted elements as they are just for reference, and then convert all the layers to 3D. And now we are going to create a camera of 50 mm. Now we are going to duplicate the element and spread the layers across the 3D space until it looks like this. Then we need to give the camera a zoom in movement using point of interest and position keyframes, and by adjusting the graph to smooth out the movement. Now we have the animation done. Now it's time to play with the elements and add our style. We duplicate the text box and give a white fill to it and remove the stroke. Apply fastbox blur to it and adjust the opacity. Moving to applying the blow to text, the stroke of the text box, and to the overall composition by using an adjustment layer. After that, we will add some dust background along with a grid overlay. Now using an adjustment layer and applying mask to a certain area, and we will then adjust the curves. For the siren effect, I used two circular shape and applied the wiggle expression to their opacity and give them a radial gradient fill. Now after adjusting the values of all the effects and glows, we can turn on the camera depth of field and increase the aperture. Adjust the focus distance to make the subject clear, and we will get something like this. For the second frame, I just keyframed the camera position and added some clouds in 3D space. Added alpha clips of plane and drone, adjusted the tints and opacity of the elements, and duplicated the text box from the previous frame. We will turn on the motion blur and we will get something like this. Now it's time to add some sound effects and we will get ourselves an engaging video.
Is it illegal to fly a drone near an airport?
Now if you have watched till here and want to try this out for yourselves, I have linked the PSD in the description below. You can try doing the animation on your own, and I have also linked the project file if you just want to look out what I have done in this animation. Now if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and see you in the next one.